Hey guys, this is Brian with I Drive a 9 here on YouTube. Today's video is all about vintage collectibles. If you are a Porsche guy that has a spot in your office or your home that you use to display either Porsche diecast medals or shirts or posters from races or from the dealership, then this video is going to be for you because coming up this weekend, RM and Sotheby's is doing a lifetime Porsche Memorabilia Part 2 auction. There's over 225 things that are all Porsche related. They're going to be up for bid, and there's no reserve on these things. So I thought we would just take a moment and dive into the lots and see what's out there and kind of get an idea of what we think stuff is going to go for. So let's jump into this. And if this is your first time on my channel, this YouTube channel is all about Porsches, whether it be learning how to repair them, maintain them, upgrade them, or just learning new stuff about them that comes along. So if you're new here, please give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. And if you're one of my regulars, then kick back with a drink and a beverage, and let's check out some cool stuff that we can buy next weekend. Let's go. And let's see here. What do we got? First things first, assorted racing press kit from the 80s. Porsche Panamera press kit from, yeah, all right, yeah. Let's see some cool stuff. 917 little models. 143 models, so it's like Matchbox. 918 Spider promotional. That's kind of cool. These are the stuff that Porsche, like this one here, the Carrera GT leather bound dealer promotional kit. This is stuff the dealers had to promote the Carrera GT when it came out in 2005. So again, what this will go for, who knows, but that would be kind of cool if you have a GT, or if you've always wanted one but you can't afford it. You might be able to afford this and be able to display it up on the wall in your den. Let's see what else we have here. Porsche Technical Info Manual, 73 to 74. This one here, dealer advertising from 1967. Now, see, as a guy that owns a 67 Porsche 912, I would possibly want this. Let's see what happens when you click on it. Anything? Nothing? Nothing? Oh, we do get a few pictures in here. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, check that out. This would be kind of cool to have. Press releases and looks like newspaper ads that you can run, pictures to be able to give to newspapers. Yep, that's what this is. That's kind of cool. I like that. All right, so let's go back and let's see what else we got here. Looks like the turbo service manual. That, hey, Magnus Walker right here. That's for you, bud, if you don't already have a copy. Some more models. The 73 911 Carrera spare parts list folder. Porsche Racing press kits. Porcelain smoking set? What? From the 60s? Alright, we gotta look at this one. You know, I love my cigars. And no other pictures, huh? Well, crap. Crap. Oh, actually, it's up here. What? Went too far. Oh, cool. That is quite cool. Little ashtray, a lighter, and what was the other thing? Oh, there we go. All right, so we're moving along here. 928 press kit. Wow, from back in the day there. A 959 press kit. That's cool. More models. A Porsche design multi-cylinder wine cooler from 2011. I want to see this. Oh, that is kind of cool. That is kind of cool. All right, I'll have to watch on that one too. Or I wonder if I can make one of these with the cylinder head from the Boxster. I don't know what to do with this engine. It's trashed, but maybe something like this. I can put 3 bottles of wine in. Idea. All right, so let's get back out to here. Porsche Carrera GT gift set with engine model, Sweet. There's your Janis Joplin 356 model. More workshop manuals. That's kind of cool for the 911 in the late 60s. Parade magazine collection. Some more factory showroom displays. A Porsche 356 travel kit. That's going to bring a pretty penny. Spare parts, the 911 912 from 69 to 70. 911 911S service bulletins. Parts catalog from 72. Aren't we glad now that we have this in PDF where we can research it and search and it's online? We don't have to go to a binder. Some more. Let's go to page 2 here. We won't spend too much time digging into this. I just kind of wanted to see what was out there. Looks like a racing poster, a 74 Career RS service manual. That's kind of cool. So as you can see, lots of books, lots of literature, lots of models. And this is typically, if you've never been to the huge LA Porsche Lit Show that happens every spring out in Los Angeles, California, you walk into this room and it's just wall to wall with tables of people selling vintage, new old stock stuff or literature and things of this nature. It is mind blowing. One year I went and ran into Jerry Seinfeld and got to talk to him for a little bit while we were looking at stuff to buy. This was like 2004, 2003. But so the LA Lit Show, which is coming up, I believe, next year in April. Check the link below. I'll make a note of it down there. So racing posters, catalogs, stuff of this nature, obviously factory manuals, a lot of those, sales brochures. Here's a press kit. This is what the dealers would use to put ads in newspapers and send out for press releases. What else do we have here? Let's go to page 3 real quick and I'll wrap this up. And again, more stuff. And a lot of it seems to be like the 60s, 70s, and 80s with a sprinkle of newer stuff in there. Porsche Competition Victories dealership plaque. That's kind of cool. A 356B partial travel kit. That's partial travel kit. Some jackets from the 80s. Looks like some hats and t-shirts and stuff for Rothman. Definitely can do the whole 80s look there. Or that's 60s. What? That's kind of a cool 50 years of Porsche banner. That would be something I might want to bid on. That's cool. That is. All right. That's something to have in your garage. And some more. Looks like prints and more artwork. So you get the idea of what's going on here. So this auction takes place from the 21st to the 29th here this month in July. Even if you're not going to buy anything, jump on, check it out. If you're going to buy something, go ahead and register. And we'll probably follow this video up in the next few weeks to kind of see where the prices fell on some of these items. There's a few items in there I like. I'm going to make sure I take a moment to check back during the auction and see how much they go for, because I might want to grab one of those things. All right, guys, that's it for this one. It's a quick one. I just want to let everybody know that this was going on. So cruise on by. There's a link in the description on the bottom of this video. And again, if you are a new subscriber, we're all about Porsche here, whether it be fixing them, repairing them, upgrading them. We're also going to be doing some buyer's guides because, right now I'm looking to buy either a Cayenne or a Tiptronic Cayman or 996. I'm still kind of in the air about which way to go. So make sure you follow those. And if you like this video, share this out on social media. Have your other friends know about this auction. Or maybe you don't want them to know about the auction so that way you can get it cheaper. Now, let everybody know that this auction is going on. It's online, so we don't have to do anything. And that's it. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.